Your Excellency, I have the honor to present Mr. Mario Al-Suberi, Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of the Republic of Cuba to the Republic of Fiji.
Your Excellency, it's my great honor to present the letters of credentials addressed by my President to Your Excellency, accrediting me as Ambassador of the Republic of Cuba to the Republic of Fiji. Enclosed is also the letter of recall of my predecessor.
Your Excellency, I'm very pleased to receive your credentials and letter of recall of your predecessor. I welcome you most warmly to the Republic of Fiji and wish you a happy and successful mission.
Thank you very much.
Please convey to His Excellency, the President of the Government of the People of the Republic of Cuba, our very warm wishes for their continued well-being, peace and prosperity. Once again, welcome.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Your Excellency,
It's my
and
honor.
welcome to Fiji.
It's my honor. It's my honor. It's a great pleasure.
It's so nice to meet you. Now we had to defer it once or twice, but so good to see you.
Yeah, no, I'm so glad. It was such unfortunate events. The first time I didn't have my credentials in my hand. They just, the date you organized, I was supposed to go to Vietnam to look for the diplomatic mail were being sent to me in January. Then in Fijian, it's terrible. And we are also great sugar grower, so we know
world's biggest exporter of sugar.
Well, it was not anymore.